Welcome to the realm of Scandinavian bedroom design, where simplicity, comfort, and functionality reign supreme. Inspired by the minimalism and natural beauty of the Nordic countries, this style prioritizes natural light, neutral colors, and smart use of space. Upon entering such a bedroom, you're greeted by an abundance of natural light streaming through large windows, creating a sense of openness and freedom. The color palette is soothing, with soft whites, light grays, and pastels, accented by black or navy for depth and character. Furniture is chosen for its functionality and visual appeal, favoring natural materials like wood. A minimalist approach to furniture helps maintain a tidy space and creates an impression of more room. Textiles play a key role in adding coziness. Soft rugs, bedding made from natural fabrics, and decorative pillows make the space more inviting. Decorative elements, such as art inspired by nature and indoor plants, are used sparingly yet thoughtfully to personalize the space without cluttering it. Lighting softly complements the natural light, creating a warm atmosphere for rest and relaxation. Scandinavian bedroom design is a celebration of simplicity, comfort, and coziness, offering a secluded haven for rest and rejuvenation.